SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad 14ADA05 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Jean Lin, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. An SSD upgrade and deep cleaning service was performed on the Lenovo IdeaPad 14ADA05 laptop to improve system performance and maintain efficient cooling. Over time, dust buildup inside the laptop can reduce airflow, while an older storage drive may slow down boot times and application performance. The procedure began by safely shutting down the laptop and disconnecting it from the power source. Proper anti-static precautions were followed before removing the bottom cover to access the internal components, including the cooling system, storage drive, motherboard, and battery. During the deep cleaning process, dust and debris were carefully removed from the cooling fan, heatsink fins, and ventilation pathways using compressed air and anti-static brushes. This restored proper airflow and improved heat dissipation. The existing storage drive was then replaced with a compatible solid-state drive, SSD, which was securely installed to provide faster boot times, quicker application loading, and improved overall system responsiveness. After completing the service, the laptop was reassembled and powered on for testing. The SSD was verified to ensure it was properly detected by the system, while the cooling system was checked for proper fan operation and stable temperatures. Following the maintenance, the Lenovo IdeaPad 14ADA05 delivered improved cooling efficiency, faster performance, and a smoother computing experience, making it more reliable for work, study, and everyday use. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.